Welcome to Kitchen Whistle. In this video we are going to see how to prepare street style masala puri. For tamarind chutney, soak 3 numbers of dates in water and gooseberry size older tamarind. Next we need to prepare dough for puri. In a bowl add 150 gram of semolina or suji. If you have small size suji, add it. Next add 40 gram of maida or 2 tablespoons of maida. Add half teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of oil. Add water step by step and knead dough. You have to knead at least 10 to 15 minutes. It should be like chapati dough. Next add 1 teaspoon of oil. Spread and rest it for 1 hour. Next we need to prepare green peas potato gravy. In a cooker add 1 big size potato and 1 cup of green peas. I am using fresh green peas. If you have dried green peas, soak it for 3 to 4 hours and use it. Add 2 cups of water. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Switch on the stove, close pressure cooker and pressure cook it for 5 whistles. Switch on the stove, keep pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Next add 1 cup of chopped big onions. Add half inch ginger, 2 numbers of garlic and 1 dried red chilli or green chilli. Saute well. In this stage, add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Add a half teaspoon of salt. Roast the tomatoes well. Tomatoes are cooked means cool it. Transfer into mixie jar. Next add quarter cup of coriander leaves. Add water and grind it to fine paste. Green peas and potatoes are cooked well. Use the masher and mash the potatoes and green peas well. Switch on the stove, keep pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 numbers of bay leaf and half inch cassia. Next add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Next add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. If you have, use it, otherwise no problem. Roast it for 1 second in oil. Now add the ground paste and mix well. Add 1 tumbler of water and mix well. Close the pan and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Next add the mashed green peas and potato. Mix well and check the salt. If you want, add it. Close and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add a few coriander leaves and mix well. Now add 10 to 15 drops of lemon juice because we are not used amchur powder. If you have amchur powder, use it and mix well. Green peas gravy is ready. Next we need to prepare green chutney for masala puri. In the mixie jar, add quarter cup of coriander leaves. If you have mint leaves, add quarter cup. 1/4 inch ginger and 1 number of garlic. Add 3/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, it is optional. Add a half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add little water and grind it. Green chutney is ready. Next we need to prepare tamarind chutney. Switch on the stove, keep pan and add a half tablespoon of oil. Add a half teaspoon of red chili powder. Now add the tamarind water. 1:3 is the ratio. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once tamarind water becomes boil, add the dates, mash and add it. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of jaggery powder or jaggery. The water is completely dried. Switch off the stove and cool it. Transfer the tamarind chutney to the mixie jar. Add little water and grind it. Now the tamarind chutney is ready. Next we need to prepare puri. See, the dough is very soft. Again knead for 5 minutes. Make medium round shaped balls. Use the chapati stone and make the flat dough. Use the silver cup and cut the dough. Then you will get good shaped puri. See, it is coming well. Follow the same for remaining dough. Or make small round shape ball and flat the dough, then you will get puri. Next we need to fry the puri. Switch on the stove, add oil to fry the puri. Once oil becomes hot, add the puri. Keep the stove in medium high flame. Turn both sides. Cooking time for puri is only 2 to 3 minutes. The puri is cooked well. Now we can take it out from oil. Fry the remaining puris. The soft and crispy puri is ready. Now we can assemble the masala puri in a plate. Break and add 5 to 6 numbers of puri. Next add green peas gravy. Next add 2 to 3 teaspoon of tamarind chutney. 3 teaspoons of green chutney. Little chopped tomato. Sprinkle finely chopped onions. Next add kara save or mixture. If you have small size, use it. Next add little coriander leaves. If you have chaat masala, add a 1/4 teaspoon. That's it. Tasty masala puri is ready. The taste will be amazing. You can also try this masala puri at your home. If you like this video, like and share. Not yet subscribed to Kitchen Whistle means please subscribe to Kitchen Whistle. If you have any doubt in this masala puri, let me know in comment section. Prepare and tell me how it is came. Thank you so much for watching.